my god. Hey guys, Chinese medicine says that medicine and food comes from the same source. So you can and you should use food to enhance your health and to treat any health conditions you have. Today I want to show you how you can use pears, I think they are called snow pears, to treat your cough. Let's get started. So what do you need for this little TCM home remedy? You need first 1 pear, then 6 grams of fritillary bulb powder and a tablespoon of honey. So how can we make now our little remedy? First you take the pear and you remove the core with a sharp knife. Then you put the fritillary bulb powder and the honey inside the core, and you put the pear into a steaming pot. Finally, you steam it until it is soft, and then you can eat it. So now how to take our home remedy? It is recommended that you eat 1 to 2 of those pears a day. Why can steamed pears alleviate cough? It's like this. Chinese medicine says that snow pears are good for your lungs and they're good also for your respiratory system. They can moisten the lungs and also enhance lungs function and stop cough. On the other hand, the fritillary bulb powder can moisten the lung, stop cough and also reduce phlegm. And no matter whether in Western traditional medicine or in Chinese traditional medicine, honey's function to alleviate cough are very well known. So no matter whether you have a dry cough or a productive cough with phlegm, this little remedy is suitable for every kind of cough. So you can try it at home and see if it helps you. So I hope you liked today's very easy recipe, and if you would like to have a PDF summary of it, just click the link below and I'll be happy to mail it to you. Also, if you are interested in how you can use TCM or little food remedies to treat any other condition or have any other questions about TCM, just mail it to us and we will try to make a little video about it. Thanks for watching our channel and keep healthy.
Okay, liebe Leute, wollen wir hier Lerngeschaut.